Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the second part of identification of the histological sections that includes excretory system. In the previous part, that is in part 1, I have already discussed about the nervous system. So let's go into the excretory system. Regarding the contents, I am going to discuss about two most important part of the excretory system. Number 1 is kidney, number 2 is ureter. This is the histological section of the kidney as appears under the objective lenses of the compound microscope. So this part, this round shaped part, this is called the Malpighian corpuscle. Now this Malpighian corpuscle is made up of two parts, that is the Bowman's capsule. Capsule means the covering. So this is this white part that is indicated here by the arrow. This is the Bowman's capsule which covers the glomerulus. This inside deep pinkish part is called the glomerulus. So Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, they collectively form the Malpighian corpuscle, which is the fast identifying character of the kidney. When through the microscope or through the eyepiece you will see these round shaped structures into the slide, and you identify this Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, you should be confident enough that you are observing the histological section of mammalian kidney. Now the second identifying characters comes about the renal tubules. So these are the proximal convoluted tubules which become close to the Malpighian corpuscle, and the far away tubules are called the distal convoluted tubules. Proximal convoluted tubules are the closed tubules. Distal convoluted tubules are some far away tubules. So this Malpighian corpuscle and the renal tubule, these two are the main identifying part of the kidney. So these are the identifying characters as we have discussed just now. Presence of Malpighian corpuscle consisting of glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule in cortex area. Presence of proximal and distal renal tubules lined by epithelial cells in the cortex area. So this Malpighian corpuscle and renal tubule both are present in the cortex area. So this is the transverse section of mammalian kidney. Next, this is the ureter. First of all, it is the lumen part. Lumen means hollow. This hollow part is called the lumen part. And you can see these folds, these mountain folds. These are actually called lamina propria. Okay. And these are helped by transitional epithelial layer. You can see these folds is a transitional epithelial layer which is surrounded by circular muscle layer which helps in the contraction and the relaxation of the ureter. The whole ureter is outlined by huge amount of adipose tissue. So through the eyepiece, when you will see this transitional epithelial mountain layers along with the lumen and the muscle layer which is surrounded by the adipose tissue, you will be confident enough that you are observing the histological section of the ureter. So these are the identifying characters, three layers: mucus, muscular and fibrous, and the folds made up of mucous membrane lined by the transitional epithelium. So these are the references. You can go through that for your further study. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Always keep in touch for the more better videos. And this video is continued to part 3, where I am going to discuss about the identification of histological sections regarding some other systems of our body. So long, goodbye.